Or did I now function?
It went down.
Yep.
Oh,
You should have reminded me next time.
train's coming. I hear it. There it is. Coming this way.
Our folks Southern. Oh, CSX this time. Double header. Damn it, CSX heard that gun. Let's see if they're going this direction. They're empties. Remember, empty ones, empty ticket cars go this direction. Full ones going from that way. Heading back to Chicago.
Okay.
And these they're empty. They're westbound ones.
You sure look new and clean.
Isn't that what we saw the last time we saw what it is?
Yep, that's what I say.
Eastbound ones, some of
They
that?
must be cleaning and nicer.
Yeah, I guess. Oh no, he's speeding. From right here, you can not even hear the bells because it's so
No, the curve,
quiet.
but you caught it going down. Good. Yay.